Welcome to Parent Point. Here at Parent Point, we've decided that we're going to approach parenting the M.A.D.E way so that by the time you're done with us, you're going to have it made. What does it stand for? M, manage expectations. Both our videos and our private sessions are focused on creating more awareness and giving you the tools that you need, but also explaining to you the developmental milestones. If you are aware of how the brain works, what the science is telling us, then you can manage and understand exactly where your child is at and how to adapt to it. One of the biggest things that most parents are feeling these days is frustration, anger, sometimes even resentment. It's okay, we are all feeling it. But that comes from very simply the equation of expectations minus reality. That gap, depending on how big it is what creates all those negative feelings. So we help you manage the expectations, and so your reality can be much closer to the good expectations that you're going to have. A, assess your strengths. We use appreciative inquiry as a model of coaching to help you find all the things that you're already good at. You have strengths as a parent. No matter what you think or what other people might be saying, there are things that you can do that nobody else can. It's your own special sauce. And we will help you figure out what that is and bring it to your parenting to really help you magnify all of your strengths and talents. D, direct your energy. If you don't have a plan, you don't know where you're going, and you don't know when you got there. So we're going to help you figure out who it is you want to be as a parent, but also what kind of family life you would like to have. And finally, E, engage and evolve. The worst kind of parent is the absent parent. You haven't failed if you're there messing up and making up for those mistakes. You have failed if you are not there and not trying. So we want you to engage. We're going to give you all the tools to help you engage. But here's the thing. Humans change. That's what we do. We change every second. Our cells are changing. Our emotions are changing. Our knowledge base is changing. So you're going to have to evolve to meet the new feelings and new emotions and new needs of your children regularly. And that's exactly what we do here. We give you the information that you need for that milestone, for the next one, because again, you'll have the plan so that you can engage and evolve. And you'll have it made by the time we're through. So keep watching these videos. And if you're interested in checking us out, contact us for a free intro parenting strategy session. You will find that you will have it made as a parent if you check out Parent Point.